In 2018, I got my first chemical peel. What followed was my skin getting incredibly sensitive, me having to completely shield myself from the sun at all times, and probably the biggest, a sizable hole in my pocket. Ever since then, I've been searching for natural alternatives, and that's when I hit the skincare gold mine, fruit enzyme facials. They are a form of gentle chemical exfoliation. They strip away the buildup of dead skin cells that often makes your skin look dull, pigmented, and prone to acne. There are many natural sources of these enzymes, often in fruits and vegetables. The final outcome is always clean, clear, and glowing skin. Are you trying to tell me you don't want that? One of the most commonly recurring comments I've seen is usually related to acne marks, pigmentation, and tanning. The sun is usually the culprit here. I found this guava scrub recipe that's just the thing to even out your skin. Thanks to the enzyme lycopene, guava protects your skin from sun damage. Mix together 4 tablespoons guava puree, 4 tablespoons of oats, and 1 tablespoon jojoba oil. Gently scrub your face and neck with this guava slurry for about 5 minutes and then wash it off with water. Jojoba oil prevents over-drying, while oats scrub off the dead skin gently, and finally the fruit enzymes in guava will be hard at work, banishing dark spots and pigmented skin. Dull skin had started to hang over my head as a constant subconscious concern. Before I started having any recurring nightmares about this, I added this new step to my weekly skincare routine, the Beet Brightening Mask. I chose beetroot juice since it contains naturally occurring glycolic acid, which is a great dead skin eater and works amazingly, even for my problematic acne-prone skin. Rice water is already a known skin brightener. I take 1/4 cup of each and mix it. Next, I drop in a compressed sheet mask. I love how it rises up like a little worm. Use it for a whole 15 minutes for this much needed relaxing skincare time. I know it'll be odd if I go off on a rant about sagging or wrinkled skin while looking like the infant I am. But don't think I've forgotten about those who do need some skin firming sessions. This youthful mask is one of my mom's faves, and I'm sure it'll turn into yours too. Take the pulp of about half an apple, the pulp of 10 grapes, and add in 1 tablespoon yogurt. Mix it all together and apply it over your face and neck. Grapes contain tartaric acid, which promotes collagen production, increasing the elasticity of your skin. The malic acid from apples is perfect for treating sun damage that often aggravates the signs of aging. Add the soothing yogurt to this and you've got the perfect youth potion. The one secret to that smooth, bump-free aesthetic you see all over Instagram is this DIY peel right here. Mix together half cup pineapple puree, 1/4 cup papaya puree, and half tablespoon honey. Apply this all over your face and neck using a brush and keep it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Wash it off with water and apply a light moisturizer afterwards. The enzymes at play here are bromelain from pineapple and papain from papaya. Bromelain breaks down dead skin cells, while papain builds up the elasticity of your skin. When I first applied it, I thought tingle equals trouble. My traumatized sensitive skin refused to believe this is actually good for me. But the next day I woke up to incredible soft, clear and glowing skin. Store up on fruits and your skin will never go hungry. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.